Well, Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy Hanukkah, whatever you're celebrating. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all the likes and subscribes I've been receiving. And with that being said, we're going to do a little Christmas carol. All right? Here we go. Christmas trees and boughs of holly, Yuletide carols and mistletoe, candles burning bright and meadows frosty white, and unboxing a Grand Seiko. Let's open it up. Christmas came early. All right, here we go. This Grand Seiko GMT in all of its amazing glory. The box, by the way, is just gorgeous with this textured finish on it. We're going to remove the lid. And look at this rice paper. It's so neat. The textured. Sorry for my rough hands. Pull it out of the box here. Set that aside. Inside of the box, we have some owner's manuals, Grand Seiko booklet with warranty card and the warranty information explanation here. This kind of goes over the warranty. The Grand Seiko GMT Quartz is what I got, and here's the booklet that kind of goes over how to operate it. It's actually fairly simple to operate. I asked them to put the links outside of the actual watch box, so that way they didn't take a chance of banging anything around. This came from Horologio in Las Vegas in the Venetian shops, and this rice paper texture is just gorgeous feeling. Here's your Grand Seiko box itself. Again, textured box and actually engraved Grand Seiko. It's not just painted on, it's actually textured, engraved. A little gray seal around the edge there. Open it up. Beautiful cushioning on the top here. So this is cushioned, really soft and supple. They covered the watch, at least Grand Seiko did, covered the watch with a little cloth here to keep it from scratching either way. And then you have the Grand Seiko GMT itself on a beautiful little cushion right here, satin finish with a sash, and below it, little Grand Seiko travel bag, which is really nice to have. Again, supple and soft. And the very bottom here are the tags that came on the watch itself. So we have the model and reference and all that stuff. So there you can see right there, SBGN003, made in Japan. And how gorgeous is this watch? Grand Seiko GMT, beautiful watch, black face with a little bit of a sunburst dial, not much, it's just a beautiful black face. Those wonderful scalpel hands, they're just amazing. It has loom, GMT function. I'm going to do a full review on this, but this is just a quick little Christmas unboxing, and I just wanted you guys to take a look at it in all of its infinite wondrous glory. Signed crown. Amazing, amazing watch. Still has a little decal on the back, but gorgeous little watch. I love the black dial. I love the GMT function with the little silver at the bottom and the black at the top, so you know night and day on your GMT. All right, there you go. Full review to come. Please check it out. Good night, little Seiko. Good night. Well, there you go, folks. I hope you have a safe holiday season, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. And please like and subscribe, and thank you for all of the love you've been showing so far. Take care. Bye.